lovelies, welcome to my channel once again. In this video I'm going to do a macrame necklace for those people who cannot knit or crochet. So if you're new here, my name is Tsungie. I do craft videos and I'll be incorporating some of the things that I do whilst I'm here in South Korea. Okay, so let's just get right into it. So to begin, I'm going to start with the things that you need. You need a scissors, you need some 8mm beads, that's optional, t-shirt yarn, and a board. If you don't have a board, it's okay. You can tie your thing on a chair or on a door, whichever is easy for you. I actually tied mine on a chair when I was doing it, but because I want you guys to see, I'll use this board. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to take our t-shirt one and we're going to measure 4 meters or 4 arm spans. Then we're going to cut. After that, we're going to have to fold the t-shirt yarn into 2. Okay, so if you fold it, it will be 2 meters. Then we're going to fold again. So we're going to look for the middle point. Right. Then you fold it again. Okay. So now you're going to make a simple knot, just a simple knot like this. You make it tight. Now I'm going to take my board, then I'm going to put that knot, under my board so that it doesn't move. So it doesn't move. Then I'm going to start twisting. For me, I just twist both sides, then I put them one on top of the other. Twist both sides and like that. So I'm going to twist until I get to the end, or roughly you should have around 80 centimeters of this. So let me twist and come back. Okay, so when you're almost at the end, that's when I'm going to put the beads. It's easier that way. Because I've put my beads, I'm going to continue twisting. Then I'll make a simple knot. So let me make a simple knot here. Like this. Make it tight. Then I cut. Right. Okay, so afterwards I'm going to separate my beads. So this is roughly around 23 centimeters to 25 centimeters. It doesn't need to be exact, it's still alright. Then here I usually like my necklaces to be at least 30 centimeters, but it can be 26, 27, 28 centimeters is still okay, so don't worry about that if yours is not exact. Again, here also, if this side is 23, I'll make sure that this other side is also 23 so that these sides are equal. Right, so now what I'm going to do, like I said, when I was doing it on my own, I tied this on my chair, then I did it. But for the sake of you guys seeing, I'm gonna put it on this board. Okay, so for the next part, I'm going to take my t-shirt yarn and I'm going to measure 6 meters or 6 arm spans. Then I'm going to fold it into half. It's really long, I can't fit it on the camera. Right, then I'm going to half it again. Okay, so after I've halved it twice, you're going to see that one end is going to be joined. I'm just going to cut it. Right, so now I'm gonna go to the middle. Okay, so after halving it, I'm going to go to the middle of the thing and I'm going to take the t-shirt yarn. Then I'm going to make an X on one side like this and I'm going to wrap it like this. Right, I'm going to lift the one that's on top like this and I'm going to grab this one like this. Then I release it. So what I'm creating is a slip knot. So now what I'm going to do, I've already put my my twist on my board. Now I'm going to put this one inside my right. So when we get to the part where we have the bead, I'm going to adjust it tightly. After putting that, I'm going to start to do the spiral macrame. So what I'm actually will be doing, I'll be creating a 4, so like this, then like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one on the right and I'm going to make like a curve like this. Then I'm going to take this one on the left, this one on the left, and I'm going to put it on top, right? And once I put it on top, I'm going to lift my thing and I'm going to put inside like this. Right, and after that I'm going to tighten everything. Like that. I'll do it again. That's the only thing that we'll be doing. You make a curve like this with your right t-shirt yarn, then the left you put it on top. Then after putting it on top, you're going to lift your thing, right? And you're going to put this one under this one, this. So the yarn is really long, right? And going to tie. Like that. So I'm going to continue to do that. We'll do another one, right? You take your yarn at the so you take the yarn on the right, you make a like this, then you take the one at the left, you put it on top. So long. You put it on top. I've just sponged it. Then after putting on top, you're going to lift your thing and you're going to put your lift yarn through there, right? Then you're going to make that knot. So if you continue doing this, you're going to continue to make a spiral pattern. Again, we're going to make a curve like this. Then the one that's on the left, this one, we're going to put on top, right? Then it's going to go under this point and in through here. So it's going to go like this. Then you like that. So if you continue doing that, it's going to give you that curve. I'm gonna do some more and I come back. Okay, so I've done a few and already you can see it's what it is turning. So this is what you're going to continue to do. The key thing when you're making this necklace is that you must maintain the tension. So if you were doing them loosely, I like to do them loosely so that it gives like a bulkier look. So I do them loosely, but if you like, you can do them tightly. And another thing, you can always, if you want it close together, or you can adjust this later on. Okay, so I'm going to continue to work on this until I get to here and I come back. Okay, I'm almost at the end. I'm gonna do my last one, so I'm going to make a curve. The right one, I'm making a curve. The one at the left, I'll put it on top. like this. Then I'm going to lift my thing, and we want it to come this side, so on top, then it's going to go under and come out that way. So under, like this. Right, so that's the last one. So once I've done this, I'm now going to do one last one. This one I'm gonna make it very tight. Then after, I'm going to cut. So I'm going to cut it. Maybe I cut it here. Right, so now I'm going to take my crochet hook. I'll take my crochet and just put it under the folds. Then I'm going to grab it with my crochet hook and just pull it like that. Okay, yeah, so that's it, and you can arrange it nicely, then you can tie it, and it's ready for wear. Okay, so this is how you make a spiral macrame necklace. If you don't have a crochet hook to tuck it in, just tuck it one by one in each of the, like, you tuck it one by one until you go, what you call it, until it's fully covered. Yeah, so that's it from me. This is how you make this simple macrame necklace. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I look forward to interacting with you guys in the next tutorial. Like, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would want me to do. Yeah, give me your video ideas and I'll see what I can do. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. Okay, bye bye.